Hello everyone there. So in this lecture we are going to revise the second chapter of physics, which is basically human eye and the colorful world. Okay, so here we can see the ability of an eye to focus both near and distant objects by adjusting its focus length is called the power of accommodation of an eye. Next, it is the small distance at which an eye can see objects clearly without strain is called the near point of an eye, or the least distance of distinct vision, okay, which is basically 25 centimeter for a normal eye. Then it is the furthest point up to which an eye can see objects clearly is called the far point of an eye, and it is infinity for a normal eye. The splitting of white light into components colors is called the dispersion, means breaking of white light through a prism into 7 colors, which we have already discussed. Then we can see here there are 3 common refractive defects of vision, which is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness, in which we can see only near objects, okay, and far objects are not visible to the people having myopia. In hypermetropia we can see only distinct objects, we cannot see the nearest object. And in presbyopia it is a common disease in older people. Then it is the person with myopia can see near objects clearly but cannot see distant object, the defect that can be corrected by using concave lens. Okay, the spectacles which we are using, it should have concave lens of suitable focal length. A person with hypermetropia can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby object distinctly. The object can be corrected by using a convex lens. Okay, so those people having hypermetropia can use spectacles of convex lens of suitable focal length. Okay, this will help them see near objects very properly. And presbyopia is due to decrease in power of accommodation with aging. As I already told you, it happens with aging. The power of accommodation is decreased, okay, with the aging. It is known as presbyopia. The defect can be corrected by using bifocal lenses, means it can be all hypermetropia also, it can be myopia also. Then scattering of light causes the blue color of the sky, which we know, reddening of the sun at sunrise and sunset. Okay, so this is a very easy topic. I hope you understand. Thank you.